In mathematics, we are done with the trigonometry chapter. Now we'll start with the most basic chapter of coordinate geometry, which is the straight lines. In our first problem, we are given with if G is the centroid of triangle ABC, we have to prove that AB square plus BC square plus CA square is equal to 3 times GA square plus GB square plus GC square. For solving this problem, we'll take help of the analytical geometry method. Let us make the figure. If this is triangle ABC with coordinates of A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, and C as x3, y3, then we know that the coordinates of centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now in analytical method, for simplicity we choose the coordinates of centroid as the origin. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 becomes equal to 0 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 equals to 0 as well. This is our first and this is our second equation. Now we try to find out sigma AB square. Sigma AB square equals sigma of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This becomes sigma of x1 square plus y1 square minus 2 times sigma of x1 x2 plus y1 y2. Now we try to find out sigma GA square, which is equal to x1 sigma of x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. This is also inside the brackets. So this becomes sigma of x1 square plus y1 square. So we have got sigma of GA square as sigma of x1 square plus y1 square. We make this as the third equation. Now we try to convert sigma AB square into as a relation of sigma GA square. We can write sigma AB square as 3 times sigma x1 square plus y1 square minus 2 times sigma x1 square plus y1 square minus 2 times sigma of x1 x2 plus y1 y2. Now we club these two terms together. This becomes 3 times sigma of x1 square plus y1 square minus sigma of, we can split this 2 times sigma of x1 square plus y1 square as, this becomes, this whole term becomes sigma of x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole square, not sigma, plus y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole square. And we know that the coordinates of centroid were 0, 0 and x1 plus x2 plus x3 was equal to 0, and similarly y1 plus y2 plus y3 was also equal to 0. So our sigma AB square reduces through 3 times sigma x1 square plus y1 square, and we know that sigma x1 square plus y1 square is the value of sigma GA square. So we get sigma AB square as 3 times of sigma GA square. So in this problem we have seen that how analytical method helps us to ease out the problem and solve it in a simpler way.